Hi friends, we have more fact families today. So that's something that we're studying in our topic this week is doing fact families. And as we do fact families and we can recognize them in our solving equations, then we will be able to do them more quickly. So out of 4, 2, and 6, which is the bigger number? Yep, the 6. So for the first one, we're going to write what comes first. 4 plus 2 equals 6. So then I just make a flip-flop fact. 2 plus 4 equals 6. Now, on the subtraction problems, I put the bigger number first. 6 and 6. Then all I have to do is flip-flop the 4 and the 2. So 4 and 2, 2 and 4. Just like that. Let's try 5, 3, and 8. What is the biggest number? Yep, the biggest number is 8, so let's circle it. Okay, so we're going to start with 5 plus 3 equals 8. Then I'm going to flip-flop 3 and 5, so what comes next? 3 plus 5 equals 8. Then I put the whole first. So I put my 8s here, and then I do some subtracting. So I do 3, and then 5, and then 5, and 3. Okay, so let's do this next one. I spy 10 friends, 3 and 7. Circle the biggest number, which is 10. So we know these equations, the 10 friends, because we can put 3 plus 7 is 10. Then we're just going to flip them. So we're going to write 7 plus 3 is 10. Good. Now remember with subtraction, we have the 10 that comes first, the biggest number. So write the 10 first. And then I'm just going to flip my 7 and 3. 3 and 7. Okay, I want you to try the last one on your own. 9 is the whole. So start with the 2 parts. Give it a try. So let's do it together. 2 and 7 equals 9. So what did you write for the second equation? 7 plus 2 is 9. Now, what am I going to do with the whole? Go ahead and try it. And it's 9's first. Then we can do 7 and 2. 2 and 7. Okay? All right, let's turn over and look at what we have on the back. On the back, we're going to practice plus 2. So we tried plus 1, so that is just the number next to it on the number line. Now we just have to go 2 hops. So you start on the bigger number, so 6, and then just take 2 hops. So that answer is 8. Sometimes the bottom number is the bigger number, so it doesn't matter which order you add in. It's just easier to start with the bigger number. So 3, take 2 hops, you stop on 5. This one I recognize as 10 friends, so there's no using the number line on that one because I can recognize that one. Okay, so 7 is the bigger number, so I start on 7, and I'm going to hop 2 spots, and that's 9. Okay, so I'm going to let you finish the rest on your own. When you're finished, turn it into the basket and start on Dreambox.